Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash, and today I want to talk about ball valves. So many of you guys use these DN10 ball valves. So we got a couple different ones here I wanted to show you. Just real quick, this one, it's been around for a while. You can kind of see that it's probably been pulled on the dirt a few times. These will rust out. I wanted to show you a better ball valve that we're using that's just like the DN10. So this one here is a brand new stainless one, so stainless steel. Any of you guys that have these know that there's a little metal thing in here, and probably the first time you use them they fall out, so that's what you're left with. These new stainless steel ones, they actually have a cap that actually screws in, so it doesn't come out as easy. And then these are all, I think it was 304. I think it's 304 stainless steel, but it's just like the same things as these ones. So if you're running like a Flow Pro or something like that, these ones are still going to work with those. The way we run these is we put a female and a male. We always point our water flow with this pointing forward. That's just the way that we do it. But yeah, if you're looking for one of these, if you're local in my area, stop by Expert Power Wash. We can get you guys these. So. All right, guys, just wanted to show you the difference on ball valves. Actually, before I go, if you are local, this is a weird little ball valve. I've seen people use these. They are rated for high pressure. It doesn't seem like it's easy to turn when you're washing. So I think somebody gave this to me because it's has a female and a female. I would never plumb it up like that, but if you're in my area and you want this, I will give this to you for free. That's Expert Power Wash. We'll talk to you guys soon.